The management of advanced integrated systems is this evening counting their losses after fire destroyed part of the building earlier this afternoon. But what started as a simple operation turned into a tough task when access to the fire hydrant proved futile. Jamaila Maitland reports.
Businesses along Oxford Terrace in St. Andrew were forced to close Wednesday afternoon due to a fire. The smoke was coming from the roof of Advanced Integrated System, AIS.
We got a call at 2:37 p.m. that this building behind me here is on fire. We responded immediately with 2 units from Halfway Tree area, and then we responded with an additional 2 units. As it is now, we have 4 units on location fighting the fire, and it is presently under control, and we are just carrying out cooling down operations now.
Manager at AIS Shekar Reddy Sanumpudi says the smoke alarm triggered the evacuation of the entire building.
We have a small gym room on the roof, so it looked like in that room was the fire accident happened. But we are okay, everybody is okay. All the staff members are fine. The good thing is it's on the roof. So by the time the alarm came, nobody knows what's happening. We just heard the fire alarm, everybody came down. So everybody is good, thank God.
Thanking God, too, are the close to 30 firefighters who were forced to think and act quickly when the only fire hydrant located on Oxford Terrace was blocked. Not by a car, but by concrete.
Now, while the response from the Jamaica Fire Brigade was prompt, the firefighters say they were limited because they were unable to access the fire hydrant. Now, approaching the fire hydrant all seems well, but upon further inspection, the firefighters say the area where they're supposed to access has been sealed with cement.
The firefighters say the units had to leave the location to get water from Knutsford Boulevard in New Kingston. However, they contend that the time taken to leave the area and go elsewhere increases the risk of danger, one that is not only costly to the victims, but can also be fatal. When asked who covered the access to the hydrant, no one knew. A woman who spoke off camera told us that it has been this way for years. Equally important are frequent checks to ensure that the hydrants are not only working, but remain accessible. Fortunately, no injuries were reported because of the fire. Pride, on the other hand, is hurt, but the staff spirit remains positive.
Tomorrow is a holiday, we are planning to go for these things. But these things happen, we don't know.
AIS is an information technology solutions company that provides software to hospitals, process insurance claims for financial companies, and act as a data center, among other things. The company says following the assessment by the Jamaica Fire Brigade, it will notify clients of the resumption of operations. Jamaila Maitland, TVJ News.